Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can get a terminal app directly from the App Store. I don't know why or how Apple has allowed this kind of app to be on the App Store, but it is there. So a few days ago, there was another one on the App Store, another terminal app, but that has been removed, and now there is a new one, and this will probably be removed as well very soon, so you need to hurry up and go get it if you want to have it on your device. And then even if Apple removes it from the App Store, you will still be able to use it on your device and download it from your account. So just go to the App Store and search for Open Term. That's a complete word, Open Term, or you can go ahead and click the link right down below in the description of the video. So this terminal allows you to perform a few commands here. So if you go here, just click more not there, or just click here more, you will see all the commands right here that you can perform on this terminal app. So here it is. As you can see here, it looks beautiful on the iPhone 10. So if I tap help here, you can see it will show me all the commands that I can use. So for example, if I tap date, it will show me right here the current date and all that stuff. So you can use a bunch of commands. Of course, this is not the full one, just the one that we used to have on jailbroken devices, but you can perform a few commands right here, as you can see. So if you go to the settings, you can set the font size right here, change the text color. Also, you can change the background color of the terminal, and you can use if you can choose if you want to use a dark keyboard or not. So a pretty cool app to have on your device. As you can see, you can go ahead and download it directly from the App Store, and it is free. It's pretty awesome. So go ahead and download it. Maybe you will need it in the future on your device, so you need to have it there. Go ahead and download it. As I said, it is free. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A pretty cool app to have, which in the past we used to have only on jailbroken devices, but times have changed. Now you can download it from the App Store. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also, go ahead and follow me on my social media. You will find all the links in the description of this video.